Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video. Today's video is going to come a little bit earlier than normal. It's about 7:45 here on the West Coast, about 9:45 Central. Wanted to give you guys a heads up, see if we can get this video posted so we can give you a little heads up here before we get too far here. Yesterday's video we were talking a lot about seeing this market go ahead and get this pop to the upside. You're going to pop back to the upside and then continue to rally as long as it stays above the 8 and 21 period moving average. We got a little bit of a craziness going on right now. As you can see here, I'm going to pull up this snapshot that I took just a little bit ago in the Russell market. It basically shows, my cautious nature moving forward and why I'm a little bit cautious here. As you see, I took this snapshot just a little bit ago, guys. It's an inside day on the dailies. You go sideways towards the 15-minute sideways moving average, on the 5-minute sideways moving average, and on the 233 tick sideways moving average. So we got sideways bullish or sideways momentum here. Basically, all the moving averages are pointing sideways, but we're just peeking up above it, down below it, above it, down below it. And we just keep on chopping. This is eating up a lot of retail traders. I know they're getting scalped around in here. I have been sitting on my hands all morning. And here recently, we've been developing a really interesting case of a, say, a 3-to-the-1 strategy of some sort. Let's take a look here. You see the S&P. Let me just go ahead and blow this daily up just a little bit here, guys. See, the S&P is going ahead and pushing higher here. You see, we got a green bar in the S&P. A green bar still forming here on the Russell. And a green candlestick still forming here on the Dow. But look over here at the Nasdaq, guys. We are tanking on the Nasdaq. That's an early sign to me. Early sign to me that, hey, this thing could start rolling over. This Nasdaq could start dropping. And as the Nasdaq continues to drop, getting below its 8 and 21 period moving average, it's got a high likelihood that it's going to suck the other three markets, being the S&P, the Russell, sorry about that, I pulled that around, and the Dow. Being that it's going to suck them other three right down with it. Here going into lunch and towards the end of the afternoon session. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of a heads up. You have at this moment, you have 1 being the Nasdaq tanking, and you have 3 actually pushing higher. So this is the 3-to-the-1, where the 3 typically will join the 1, not the 1 joining the 3. It's against conventional wisdom. The 3 will actually start to drop to join the 1. So pay close attention to that if you're long. As you know, I have been looking for long side opportunities as we stay above that 8 period and 21 period moving average. Look for these markets to fail a little bit going into this afternoon and start to join that Nasdaq, because that Nasdaq has substantially had this nice big sell-off here. And I want to be very cautious for any of you looking for long opportunities. We are having a sell-off here in the Nasdaq, so look for the other 3 to go ahead and join up with it. So just a quick heads up here, guys. So hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions at all about this, please don't hesitate to email me, Adam@DirectionTrader.com. If not, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.